Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
सुखी रहे मेरे बच्चों। थोड़ा सब लोग अपने चेहरे पे जो ये मायूसी का मास्क लगा लिए हो, इसको थोड़ा उतार के एक दो, बी हैप्पी, have trust in yourself. All of you are going to be winners. My unshakable trust in you forces me to speak. So दुनिया देखेगी आपके रिजल्ट को। ठीक है, चलो आ जाओ। जिस प्रेजेंट अप्रोच पीस को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो फर्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको, वो आपके सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है, आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर का, लेकिन अगर आप द डायरी ऑफ ए यंग गर्ल अगर आप ठीक से नहीं जानेंगे कि व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट, तो मैंने उस किताब उस वीडियो में, फर्स्ट वीडियो में आपको बता दिया। तो कहे वो जो अब ये जो प्रेजेंट प्रोज पीस है, वो थोड़ा मिसलीडिंग, आपको मिसलीड कर सकता है टू कंक्लूड दैट एनी वाज जस्ट एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट गर्ल, ए टॉकेटिव गर्ल, बट द रियलिटी इज टू द कॉन्ट्ररी। हर रियल फेस comes before us in the latter part of her time. ठीक है, तो अभी इस क्लास में थोड़ा हम लोग एनी फ्रैंक के बारे में बात करेंगे। जैसे फर्स्ट वीडियो में उस बुक की बात किए, तो ये एनी फ्रैंक के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो शी इज ए जर्मन जीविश गर्ल, जर्मनी में पैदा हुई यहूदी लड़की। शी इज अ German Jewish girl born on 12th of June 1929. She was, in fact, is a German Jewish girl born on 12th June 1929 in Frankfurt, Germany. जर्मनी के फ्रैंकफर्ट में उसका जन्म। And during the period of her birth, the brutality against the Jews, the cruelty against the Jews, the prejudices against the Jews were growing up under the leadership of Hitler. The Nazis, during the period of her birth, the Nazis were greatly prejudiced, पूर्वाग्रह से ग्रस्त, कि यहूदी बूढ़े लोग होते हैं। ये नाजियों में एक बद्धमूल धारणा थी। The Nazis were greatly prejudiced towards the Jews, and the brutality against the Jews, the cruelty against the Jews, the discrimination against, bhedbhav against the Jews were growing at a rapid pace in Germany around 1929. And so Annie's family had to move to Amsterdam in Holland, in the Netherlands. So दो लगा देंगे हॉलैंड की जगह पे, जब नीदरलैंड लिखेंगे तो उसके पहले दो लगा दीजिएगा और एस लगा दीजिएगा, द नीदरलैंड्स। Once again, Annie Frank was a German Jewish girl born on 12th June 1929 in Frankfurt, Germany. And her family had to move to Amsterdam in Holland, in the Netherlands. Why? Because the prejudices against the Jews, the brutality against the Jews, the cruelty against the Jews, the discrimination against the Jews, the humiliations against the Jews were growing up in Germany under the leadership of Hitler. So her family had to move to Amsterdam, in Holland, in the Netherlands, but unfortunately, misfortunes kept on chasing them even in Amsterdam. Her family had to move to Holland, in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam, but misfortunes kept on chasing the Jews. Misfortunes kept on chasing the Jews, even in Amsterdam, even in Holland, because by 1940, Holland too fell under the occupation of the Nazis. Her family had to move to Holland in 1933, but misfortunes kept on chasing them, even to Holland. Unfortunately, Holland too fell under the occupation of the Nazis. And they framed a lot of anti-Jewish laws. They framed many anti-Jewish laws. The Jews were forced to wear yellow stars so that they could be recognized as Jews. Wasn't it the ultimate of humiliations? The Jews in Holland felt terribly deprived, terribly betrayed, terribly humiliated. And now comes Shelley's birthday in 1942, her 13th birthday on 12th June 1942. So she got a lot of gifts, presents on the occasion of her birthday. But out of all the gifts, she liked that red checkered diary most. She was born on 12th June. Her family moved to Holland in 1933. Holland too fell under the Nazis' possession. Holland too fell under the Nazis' possession. स्वामित्व हो गया, अधिकार हो गया नाजियों का during the Second World War. Holland too fell under the possession of the Nazis by 1940, and they framed a lot of anti-Jewish laws. The Jewish population felt terribly deprived, humiliated, betrayed. They were forced to wear yellow stars to be recognized as Jews. That was the ultimate of humiliation. And now what happens? There comes her 13th birthday. So she was presented a lot of gifts. Annie was presented a lot of gifts on her 13th birthday, but out of all those gifts, she liked the red checkered diary, the red checkered diary, or the diary presented to her by her father. She loved it most. She liked it most. And she decided to make it her closest friend. Now it's something very funny that a 13-year-old girl decides to make her diary her closest friend. She named it Kitty. Now the question is, why does she decide so? Why does she say that paper has more patience than human beings? Let us discuss it. My dear friends, yes, Annie was talkative. On the surface, बाहर से Annie looks extrovert. On the surface, she seems talkative. But the inner Annie, but inwardly she was very intelligent, and above all, she was a very, very, very sensitive being. She loved to ponder over things. She loved to brood over things. She loved to analyze things. And as a sensitive being, as a sensitive soul, she must have felt all the stigmas, all the stings of being a Jew. एक बहुत संवेदनशील लड़की थी, बहुत संवेदनशील, and she must have felt. She must have been feeling the deprivation. She must have been feeling the discriminations. She must have been feeling all the cruelties. She must have been feeling all the brutalities that the Jewish population was forced to endure. She must have felt the stigma of being a Jew. She must have felt all the dunks, all the dhabba of the kalank of being a Jew. And it is one of the reasons she decides to make her diary her closest friend. Outwardly, she herself admits, she herself says that I have a very happy family, I have a very loving family, adorable parents, loving aunts, loving elder sister. And friends were comparatively affluent people. धनी लोग थे. मतलब Annie had all the pleasures of life. Annie had all the pleasures of life that a girl of her age could aspire for, could think of. सब कुछ था. But she says, she reveals that she didn't have a true friend to confide in, before whom she could expose her ghav of being a Jew. There were about 30 people around her whom she could call friends. But the tragedy was, she would talk about ordinary things. With them, she was not ready to confide. She wanted to take all the burdens off her chest. She wanted to pour down all her damit, ghav, paint of emotions. So she decides that she will make the diary her closest friend. हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि why does she decide to have a diary? Why does she decide to make the diary presented to her closest friend? She named it Kitty. So why does she think so? I have told you just now that she was a very, very, very sensitive being, a very sensitive soul. She must have felt all the humiliation. She must have felt all the deprivation. The Jewish population was forced to undergo, endure in the then Holland. She was a very sensitive girl. So she wanted someone so close to her heart before whom she could expose her core, all her wounds. But she admits, she says that she didn't have a real friend. There were 30 people around her whom she could call friends. She had adorable parents. She had all the pleasures of childhood that a child of her age could think of, aspire for. But she didn't have a real friend. So she decided that she would make her diary her closest friend. She wanted to pour out all her anguish. She wanted to pour out all her sorrows before someone. And she didn't have a real friend, so she decided to make her diary her closest friend. So these were the, she wanted to take all the burdens off her chest, so she decided to make her diary her closest friend. And one thing more, one day while she was feeling depressed, she was sheeting, keeping her face, keeping her chin on her hands, brooding, pondering. She recalled a saying, famous saying, people have more patience. People have more patience than human beings. And this question is often asked in examinations. Elaborate. People have more patience than human beings. Elucidate. मीमांसा करे, विस्तार दे. People have more patience than human beings. Of course, people have more patience than human beings. Our human friends may betray us, may deceive us, but our diary won't. There is no danger of getting betrayed by a diary. But we are always in the danger of getting betrayed. But we are always in the danger of getting deceived by human friends. Our human friends often complain of the paucity, lack of time. But diary, but a piece of paper is so dheerajwala, so patient that it never complains of the lack of time. We need to remain careful about our behaviors towards our human friends. But a diary, but a piece of paper never bothers about that kind of thing. It does not make any difference to a piece of paper, to a diary, whether we tear it, whether we burn it, whether we make it weight, whether we sink it. It never complains. But human friends keep on complaining. So she says that paper has. So today in this class we have discussed two things important, and we will continue this kind of thing. We will do question answers. ये दो बातें कि why does she decide? Why does A girl of 13 decides to have a diary, to keep a diary. Why does she decide that she would write in diary? Yes. She would often think, one thing I forgot, she would often think that she would love to be a writer when she would come out from the hiding. She would often think. This may be one of the reasons for her decision to make her diary her closest friend. ये छूट गया था, तो ये दो क्वेश्चंस ही हुए कि आखिर 13 वर्ष की लड़की, why does she decide to make her diary her closest friend? And you should have convincing points. Why does any say that paper has more patience than human beings? You should have some convincing points, as I told you just now. ठीक है? और बातें क्वेश्चन आंसर में. Have a nice day. ठीक है?